Some people can see with their eyes, but their hearts remain blind. In today's gospel, Jesus heals a man who was born blind. At first, the man cannot see anything. But after meeting Jesus, his eyes are open. More than that, his heart is open to faith. But something surprising happens. The people who thought they could see, which is the Pharisees, refused to believe. Their eyes work perfectly, but their hearts are closed. So the message is simple. Real blindness is not about the eyes. Real blindness is refusing to see the truth when Jesus stands right in front of us. Lent is a time when Jesus gently opens our eyes again. He helps us see God's love, His mercy, and His presence in our lives. And when we truly see Jesus, everything begins to change. Amen.